Robinhood versus Fidelity, which is better? Fidelity and Robinhood are fundamentally different from one another, since Robinhood is a more recent app-based investment platform that caters to young clients, while Fidelity is a full-service established financial brokerage organization. Since its founding in 1946, Fidelity has grown to become a major player in the online brokerage industry with a broad range of financial services and products ideal for both novices and seasoned investors. Since its founding in 2013, Robinhood has distinguished itself as a disruptor of the conventional brokerage market. It's crucial to remember that Robinhood's entire offering falls short of that of conventional brokers like Fidelity. Although both Fidelity and Robinhood are well-liked options for novice traders, and investors will examine some of the significant distinctions to help you choose which broker is the best for you and your investment requirements. When it comes to the appearance and feel of the respective platform, Fidelity and Robinhood are very different. It might be challenging to compare directly due to the differences in products and services. To enhance the usability of its massive legacy website, Fidelity is redesigning the entire estate. Fidelity's user interface is set up within a simple dashboard that includes standard account information such as summary, positions, balances, activity, orders, and documents. Every section of the website, including customer service, opening an account, accounts and trade, planning and guidance, news and research, and investment products are easily accessible through the menu items. Robinhood also excels at usability but gains from having features and services to include. Despite being created as a mobile-first app, individuals seeking the most in-depth experience might find it easier to use Robinhood's web portal. All website sections, including invest, crypto, cash, card, learn, and support, are accessible via the main menu. Events carting was also added to Robinhood not too long, but it can't complete the Fidelity downloaded active trader pool trading tool. With the proviso that the feature depth of the two brokers is different, both Robinhood and Fidelity offer good usability. The trading process is quick, easy, and streamlined on Robinhood web and mobile platforms. While Robinhood includes the capability required for trading on novice investors, while seasoned investors will discover that the trading platform is lacking in essential features and tools. Additionally, Robinhood web platform does not offer any customization options. The trading experience offered by Fidelity has a smooth workflow as well, but it also includes extensive tools and research. Because of Fidelity's platform extensive customizability, we might design unique layouts, establishing trade forward set hotkeys, and more. The platform offered by Fidelity also allows for basket trades and chart trading. These services are not offered by Robinhood, and both Fidelity and Robinhood offer adequate trading experiences for novice investors. However, for intermediate and experienced investors, Fidelity is preferable to Robinhood. Investors who seek straightforward trading software without extra bells and whistles might consider Robinhood, mainly because it's a mobile-first brokerage, and in light of this, a large proportion of Robinhood users are drawn to its mobile interface. Despite the fact that Robinhood's core information streams in real time, it does not provide the same comprehensive facilities that larger, more established brokers like Fidelity do. For instance, the platform does not handle conditional orders and submission of multiple orders at once or staggering orders to later entry. It also cannot trade directly from the chart. Fidelity, on the other hand, has a robust mobile trading platform with many of the same features as its desktop trading platform. However, the app only offers a limited amount of fundamental analysis, charting, and research, and you're restricted from making conditional orders for using a mobile device. Having said that, Fidelity just released a beta version that includes a lot of the additional features that its customers have been requesting. While Fidelity mobile offerings are a more comprehensive and superior platform when it comes to the whole mobile trade experience, Robinhood is fantastic for straightforward trades, and additionally, we discovered that using both platforms on the web is simpler than doing it with a mobile app. This is a simpler fact in Fidelity's situation, but it surprises me that Robinhood has improved its web platform rather than its mobile offering, which has gotten worse. Like other significant financial institutions, Fidelity provides a wide range of asset classes, including cryptocurrency, which were recently included as a substitute for 401k providers 3456. However, an apparent exception is that Fidelity does not enable futures trading, and cryptocurrency is not yet available to retail customers. Trading stocks, ETF, options, and digital currencies are all supported by Robinhood from a single account. A non-custodial Web3 cryptocurrency wallet was recently developed by Robinhood, and the wallet has been available since the end of 2022. With the greatest section of assets, Fidelity has a definite advantage in this field, and Robinhood is not as suitable for investors looking for bond CDs and multi funds of foreign as Fidelity. The difference between the order types of Fidelity and Robinhood is comparable. Market and limit order types are accessible of Robinhood, but conditional orders and others stage in a lot. A variety of orders are supported by Fidelity, though the most complicated ones are not available on the Active Trader Pro platforms. Market limit, stop loss, and trading stop orders are available to the Fidelity web users. At both brokers, conditional orders are not available to mobile traders, but Fidelity is better testing this functionality, while Robinhood seems unlikely to make a change. The natural option if you're looking for advanced orders is Fidelity. Both platforms will work well for beginners who only need a rudimentary market and a few orders. Fidelity employs its own smart order routing technology, which looks for the lowest price. A sale above the bid on a purchase below the offer occurs at 87.99% of shares, and the average execution speed is 0.05 seconds, executing a 1,000 share marketable order with a resulting transaction cost of $19.24 on average when compared to the current order entry. Payment for order now is not accepted by Fidelity or stocks and ETF trades. The trade statistics for Robinhood are not made public. Investors may be left wondering whether Robinhood is really looking for the best price for customer trades in light of the recent incidents surrounding trading limitations and the lack of transparency. Unlike Fidelity, Robinhood charges the order flow, which raises your trading costs as brokers may start looking for PFOF to increase their profits. Robinhood is on the high end of terms of PFOF per share and the total revenue from PFOF, even though brokers that accept PFOF are prevalent. Fidelity clearly outperforms Robinhood in terms of exchange technology due to its profit improvements being significantly greater than the industry average and the fact that it doesn't change the order flow. Robinhood and Fidelity provide commission-free stocks and ETF trading like the majority of financial platforms available today. The trading in cryptocurrency is also free on Robinhood. Moreover, neither broker charges fees for domestic wires account opening or accounting activity. Fidelity, on the other hand, does not impose a $100 fee, but Robin does. A $5 monthly Robinhood Gold membership, which comes with $1,000 in margin, is required to trade on margin. Although $1,000 in margin usage, interest is payable at 7.75%. The margin interest rate of Fidelity is at 10.0575% for a $10,000 amount and 9.075% for a $100,000 balance. The interest earned on cash margin, interest portfolio margin, and stock loan programs benefit both brokers. And for order flow, Robinhood is the only one that gets paid. While all of Fidelity's goods and services are accessible without charge, Robinhood charges $5 per month for its Robinhood Gold account in order to acquire margin and other services. Fidelity is generally more economical than Robinhood. This is especially true when you take into account the entire value Fidelity offers in terms of platform capabilities, which is a major factor in why Fidelity was named our top overall online broker and best low broker. Along with several third-party research reports, Fidelity provides extensive research screeners for stocks, ETFs, fixed incomes, and options. Users of Fidelity can get access to charting, trade idea generators, technical and fundamental data, and more. Even amongst competitors, Fidelity research services are superior, placing Robinhood at a significant disadvantage, as its screeners are absent from unlimited Robinhood research services. Users of Robinhood Gold receive access to NASDAQ Level 2 market down powered by NASDAQ Total View and Morningstar stock analysis report. Recently, Robinhood enhanced its charting features and now offers more sophisticated and charting indicators, like bowling bands, relatively strong index, moving average, converse, divergence, and more. Although this is the basic minimum, traders will see that it is a huge improvement over Robinhood's graphic. High-level professional traders will likely be satisfied with Fidelity's detailed research. Fidelity offers basic and advanced research screeners, charting and extensive research that can significantly raise the caliber of information used to make investment decisions for average investors. Comparatively speaking, Robinhood's research capabilities are limited. Robinhood's lack of research facilities is regrettable because the broker's young clientele will benefit significantly from the great assistance in this area. The portfolio analysis tool from Fidelity includes the data on your both external accounts and Fidelity assets. The fundamental Fidelity accounts dashboard examines the performance, asset allocation, gains, and lost information. Following the connection of external accounts, the Fidelity Free Financial Plan offers a graphical representation of account assets, along with comparison of industry sectors weighing within your portfolio and an asset allocation that includes industry weightings. Similar to a human financial counselor, the planner provides computerized assistance. When particularly compared to his large competitors, Robinhood provides virtual little portfolio analysis. Balances, margin, and purchasing power are all visible in real time, but that's about it. Your portfolio value will be displayed on the home screen as one-day graph. You might change the time period displayed at the bottom of the graph to see specific dates and values. Asset allocation analysis, internal data return, and a way to calculate the tax implication of a scheduled trade are all missing from Robinhood. Fidelity has won the investment analysis contest without a doubt. Fidelity's investment analysis tools are appropriate for both novice and experienced investors. With the conclusion of new investment-related content geared towards novice investors, Robinhood recently enhanced its Learn platform. In addition, the app provides snacks, a daily email newsletter, a podcast, and a few YouTube videos. The training material provided by Robinhood is straightforward for people looking for how-to guides on the platform and foundational concepts in investing. In contrast, Fidelity's training materials are appropriate for all levels of investors, from novices to professionals. Articles, videos, webinars, recorded webinars are just a few of the many ways in which Fidelity's instructional materials are offered. Additionally, Fidelity offers interactive coaching sessions to the trading strategy desk where you can ask for a qualified trading coach question. Fidelity also offers content that is designed to help you through significant life transitions, like getting married or cohabitating, divorcing, going to college, losing a loved one, purchasing a property, etc. An investment glossary, an extensive FAQ section, and guest access allow non-customers to use Fidelity's instruction offers for research. In terms of customer care, Fidelity and Robinhood are very different from one another. There isn't a phone number, hence you can't contact Robinhood for support. For a callback, you can add your own phone number. Robinhood's callback function is accessible around the clock. Robinhood also features a chat area. Robinhood's post reputation for customer support may be attributed to its web-only strategy. On the other hand, Fidelity has a chat box and a phone line that is open 24/7. Additionally, you can engage in live online chat with a broker or agent. Fidelity branches offices are found in the most significant American cities. Both Robinhood and Fidelity have security measures that meet industry standards, but provide biometric recognition, two-factor authentication, and additional security for unidentified devices. Fidelity provides firewall secure email encryption and round-the-clock system monitoring. Both businesses provide SIPC insurance for investment accounts as well as FDIC insurance for cash accounts. The fundamental protection levels of $500,000 are covered by Robinhood's SIPC insurance, including $250,000 cash. Additionally, SIPC insurance from Fidelity protects up to $1.9 million in cash per account. Fidelity also possesses excess insurance for coverage for an additional $1 billion. Its insurance offers a defense against business fraud, institution failure, and firm insolvency. Assets cannot be covered by insurance against typical market volatility. At Fidelity and Robinhood, the security message adhere to industry standard. Due to protection for larger asset levels, Fidelity will provide the best services for large investors with more assets. Fidelity offers all the most popular types of accounts in addition to a lot more. There are numerous types of accounts you can open, including account for taxable brokerage, IRA rollovers, conventional IRAs, the Roth IRA, high room IRAs, SEP IRA, 401ks, the simple IRA, depository accounts, accounting 529, accounts for medical expenses, youth accounts, accounts for trust and estates, and full service accounts. Before introducing the IRA and Roth IRA and retirement vehicle to qualify customers in January 2023, Robinhood in contrast only provided taxable cash and margin account. If money is put electronically and kept in the account for 5 years, these accounts will even match 1% of the deposit up to an annual federal maximum. With this extensive selection of account kinds, Fidelity is the far by the leader in terms of account types.